Hello, welcome. And today's topic is CronJob. I search CronJob. So we have understand what is job. Job is like run once and finishes, taking a backup. And a cron job you have heard in cron tab in Linux. So a cron job runs job repeatedly based on the time, like taking the backup every night at 12 a.m. or whatever the time is specified. Suppose I want to press a button, so it's a one-time job, so I don't need a cron job. But if I want to press a button daily at that time, that is the cron job. Okay, maybe you can set this for some timing, but it's suppose you are a married person and you worry you should not forget about his birthday. So what you set a cron job, means you set a reminder, so once in a year, but that will help you a lot. Okay, so married person, you can use this analogy. So rest of it you for girlfriend or future girlfriend. So cron job, put a diagram here like this. Sorry, this is the job thing. So I'll paste control shift. So cron job every minute, job 1 does the task, then job 2, job 3. So if I want to take a backup every minute, so every minute backup is there. Suppose the Excel saves every minute. Save auto recover information every 10 minutes. So I can say it's a job of it's a cron job of star 10, means it's a cron job. I'll minimize it, so you will see star 5. So this type of thing is in cron job. So every minute, every sorry, it's a 5, not it's not 5, it's a 10 for Excel. So this thing. So how cron job work internally? So Kubernetes has a cron job controller inside the control plane. This controller watches all cron job and checks their spec schedule field. Cron job expression means this type of thing. It uses the schedule to decide when to create a job object. So inside a cron job there is a job, and you know job very well. We have already discussed in a video. So what is the flow? So we'll discuss the flow. First, cron job is created, and then controller reads, means inside the YAML file controller read this expression, and then at the schedule time controller create the job. Here every 10 second controller create the job. That job create the pod. So controller read and then create the job created, and then sorry, once the pod finishes the lifetime, then job created, then job creates pod, and once the pod completes its life cycle, then cron job waits for the next time. So this is the thing. So I will let you know what is this pattern. So I'll delete this. And what is the first star? So I will copy C V. So this first is a minute. So this first is a minute, and but minute is from 0 to 59. Please remember it, because I'll let you know the trick also. So second is hour. Hour is from 0 to 23. Then comes day of month, and it is not with the 0. It's from 1 to 31. Then month 1 to 12. Then month is also from 0 to 31. And then comes what left, it's the last one. So it's a day of week, and it's from 0 to 6. But here is the catch. Here 0 represents Sunday, and then 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, like this. So if I want to write once daily 1 minute, means every minute it is repeated, and every day, every month, every hour, and everything, means every, because star is there. So whenever some number comes here, so you will know that whatever the thing. So if you want that day of week, means every Sunday you want, so let's write 0 here. So whenever you are coding, there is a good website you can search. So here you can write whatever the number it is. So I can control plus, and I can write it here 0. So every minute, every 0 day of the week. But what is the 0 day? We know it's a Sunday. So every Sunday day of the week. So we have to write some 5. So every 5 minutes, every 0 day of the week, means every 5 minutes that backup will run. So it is a good thing. If I write it 1, means every minute, every 0 day of the week, because this is, so here you will understand, and this is known as the cron expression. So if write 111 every minute, every 0 day of the week, so write it very carefully, because some combination you need to work out, otherwise this type of thing will happen. So if we write it as this, then also same thing. So you can do R&D with this. So we'll go to a cron job, control F YAML. So I'll copy this file and I'll paste here. So API version is batch v1. So API group for this batch workload is batch/v1, and this kind is cron tab. So resource type is cron tab. You know how to know this. So kubectl API resources and grep job. So you know that cron job, this is batch v1, and you this have a shortcut CJ, and this is the namespace level thing. I'll control minus it. So this is the API version, true cron job. This is the kind, and this information you can get it from here. So now metadata is a hello, means you can have a name hello, and schedule is here. So I'll write one. So every minute that expression will do things. Job template is a template describing the job, and then specifications. So this is the pod template. So container name, and image pull policy, and command. So date echo hello from the Kubernetes cluster, and restart policy is on filler. Okay, so you cannot describe here a policy always, so you have to describe it on filler or never. So what happened when YAML is applied? So a new job is created. That job creates a pod, and that pod runs and print the date plus message and exit. That the job is created. So what I will copy this YAML file, and I'll make one YAML vi cronjob.yaml, and then I'll paste it here. I'll escape wq and k apply -f, and you know cronjob.yaml, we have the job is created. So k get always you can write CJ. So schedule is this. Oh sorry, I had not so once I delete CJ hello, so deleted. I need to modify this cron job. I have modified there but not here. So what I will do, I will write one. Sorry, I go to the insert mode, write one, and as I save and I exit, and now I apply one again. Once again, now I CJ. You can write cron job also. So schedule runs every minute, means here active means number of current running pods. So I'll wait for 1 minute. Last schedule show the last time it ran. So wait for a few minutes. So last schedule is 11 seconds. So what I will do, I will do just and so one pod is completed. So here you see active is 1. Now active is 0. Whenever pod because it's a very short job, so it complete very fast. So active pod you have seen here, and I'll once again get pod. So you'll find 2 pods, and now I'll wait, come again, and no issue. I'll just first here one active will be there. I have to wait for 2 minutes. So great. Now I have to, so 3 pods completed. So I want to check the log. So k logs and the pod name. So hello from the cluster, Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and next 29364172934. Sorry, I'll copy it. Yeah, who remembers all the lazy to be typed? Copy. So here it will say here and here a 1 minute difference. I'm showing you very little things. Might be busy for means you will get bored, but read once, and if so from this you understand that 58, 59, and 0. So every minute it is executing. Okay, so if I'll run this get pod, so I will get, so I this time I will get one more pod. Look here, earlier this pod name is different, and this pod name is different. You can write it here get job. So here 3 jobs completed. So here you always find 3, because history limit is 3. So where you can find this history limit? So I'll just get CJ hello hyphen OML, and then grep. I'll write history. So let's see. Nothing comes. Sorry. sorry, that star mark is not required. So it's a failed history is 1 and successful job history is 3. So you can change this history if you want more pods or more jobs to be seen. So we can suspend or resume the cron job. Then when you suspend a cron job, Kubernetes is stopped scheduled new jobs for it. All means whatever the jobs are already running, job continues normally. When you resume, new pod start again and new job start again, and according to the schedule it will work. So think like pressing pause and play button, so for automatical scheduling. So you can patch it also for this scheduling is pause thing. So there is suspend equal to true. We already seen this in the job. So what I will do, I'll just, if you don't know how to patch, so I'm giving you a trick. So I'll just export it in a YAML file. Okay, so I'll just cat neo.yaml, and here you also see that things, but my thing is that suspend equal to true. So I want to copy it from here, spec, and so I'll copy from here till start. Okay, copy. You have to write k patch, you tab it cj and then cj name and then -p and then paste, and now suspend equal to true, just write it here. You can get this because we are closing this bracket, means closing, and now you don't need these things only here, because if you see in documentation, then search suspend. So I'm not finding any YAML file for it. So what I will do, I will just here I will open this tab and explain cj. So here you will find things. Now you go to the cj, then dot, here you want to spec, or you can say explain cj, and then these things. This is the good command. I had discovered it for my purpose, but you can have a look of it. CronJob, sorry, one space issue is there. So this is the command. You can use it for this type of thing. So you will directly find this, because if you see if without this command, so a lot of space and you can not read it or find your solution. So what you will do, this is a very simple command. So whatever the two spaces are there, they will rest of the thing they will delete. So you can process this. Now spec section though, so dot spec. So here the suspend is boolean. Okay, so now suspend is true or false. Boolean means true or false. So you can copy, you can have that suspend is written like this, and it is in the this spec section. So we'll write like this. And sorry, I forgot one control C. So when the patch is start, means we'll write, oh shit, when patch we write things in this. So now suspend is patch. So if you will see job, I'll delete k get pods, k get job. So 3 seconds ago this jobs get created. So here active is 0. So when last pod get created, so here suspend is true. So new job will not be created, but already schedule is still finished. So there comes a new things. I'll patch this again. So I will go to this now suspend value, I will make it false again. Okay, so things will start. Control k get job, k get cron job. So after 1 minute this will running. But if suppose there is a fill, is a concurrency policy. So suppose 1 minute job run, job is little bigger. Arey yaar, job is run. Okay, 1 minute job is job run. If job is more, means taking much time than 1 minute, and another job will run same second minute, this job is run. If we consider like this, then first job is run, and after second this job is run. And if I consider as 12:01, this run, 12:02 this run, but this is still running and this is started. So there is a policy known as concurrence policy. Okay, I'll search is here. So there are three things: allow, forbid, and replace. So what it does, allow means allow. this is the default one. And what it do? Old and new job can run at the same time, but it will not be useful because the result will be the same. Okay. And second is forbid. So what it does is keep new job if previous one is still running means avoid overlap. And here what happens means if suppose it's a job of backup, so backup one is still running and backup two is start, and both will run. Here backup one is only backup one running, and backup two, backup two skip will not run. And replace is another one. So replace, what replace do? Kill old pod and start new one. So keep only the latest job. So what is the good one? This is I suppose forbid is a good one, but default is allow is a default. So I'll explain with the demo. So please stay with me. So Control L, and so what I will do, I'm not able to close it. No issue. I'll just open a new tab, and so what I will do, same thing. So here I'll do concurrent policy allow. So it was default, so there is a no change. So you already see that the two pod will work if that so pod is created, but I want to, so what I will do, I will refresh it, so everything will gone. So what I will do, I will vi pods vi cj allow.yml. Okay, so then here is the example. So what we have changed that here we'll say this is 90 second. Okay, and here policy will on failure will write no issue. So it will take a 3 minute, but the job schedule is one. So we'll see a 3 pod simultaneous. So k apply hyphen f cj allow.yml. So job is created. So k get job. So after 1 minute it will schedule. K get cj. So what I will do, I will tmux control b per. So k get pods hyphen w and control b left arrow. So k get job, k get cj. So there is a false in suspense. So active is one, that is the running with 3 minutes, but the scheduling is of one. So we'll see one more bot get created. I'm not showing you the jobs. I'll take a second this time also here. So k get job. So one is running. I'll make it w is also. So w also. So look at here. Now I'll just get pods. So you will see 2 pods are running. Here you will see 2 pods are running, but I'll show it here in different page. So here you will see 2 pods are running simultaneous. So our demo is shown. I will change the policy to you can play a bit with this thing. So if any doubt, this is very interesting. So what I will do, I will just patch with, so same thing, control L. Now I have to, that patch command is on screen. I have to, no issue. Will patch with policy is equal to forbid. So copy a patch, or I can just edit vi edit, sorry, edit cj. So what that mean? Controller edit cj, and here I will change that to forbid duplicate. So control L, k get pod. So instead of doing this, I will show you the fresh menu, because you will get confused with this thing. So what I will do, I will make another file with the same thing, but only the changing the vi cj and with forbid. Yeah. So I'll just allow instead of allow concurrence policy, I will forbid. So this command will not be valid. WP. So k apply hyphen f cj forbid.yml tmux control b percent control b percent. I'll make it little control b left hand side, control b left hand side. So k get job, k get cj. So here you will see this one is active. So control b right hand side, k get pod hyphen w. So one is running because this is of 3 minutes. You won't see another pod after. We will wait for minutes, but control B get job. So this is one complete. So this will get completed, and after that the things will happen. There you can means you can see the logs of also that pod, so that you can understand the policy behavior also. Here we'll see that allow policy, you can check it. So we'll wait for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes that pod will complete, and then next pod will be there. So if I'll write kget pods job, kget job, so first completed 97 second, and second is created this. Okay, so after completion of this, second job is start. And if I see a kget pod, then I only always see only one pod running. So one pod is completed, one pod is running. You won't see two pod running at a time. And now what I will do, I'll just if you will see that this k log and this pod copy paste, and k logs this copy paste. So October, this is the 43, and this is the 40. So after 3 minutes that pod is start, means two is means two job skipped. Great. Now third thing means third thing is what policy is there, replace. So I'll do replace. So what I will do, I will refresh it. I'll make a new file would be the same, but .yaml, and this is things. So I'm planning to take it this online, so that you can get non-edited video also. So restart policy is on failure, so instead of this I will write it replace. So escape wq k apply -f cj replace yaml dot created. So k get pods, k get cj. So what I will do, I'll just tmux on, or I will show you here in another tab, k get cj and k get pod. So instead of only, I'll just write w. So one pod is running. You will see this pod will terminate after a 1 minute, and another pod will start. And similarly here, so that's 10 seconds. So look at here, this pod is terminated and new start. So at a time only means old pod will be deleted and new pod. So none will be no, look here, terminating, and then things. So you can't able to do the things. Sorry, this is the old pod, but this will the running pod. So control, if k get pods, you will see only one pod is running. So 57 second. So look at here, this pod is also terminated. So this is the second pod, and sjq is now k get pod. So this pod is terminating, and this pod is running. So like this, we are seeing it here because of grace period. So 30 second. Now the things is, I think, very clear to you, that what is the policies. So we have covered the most of the all things in this CronJob things. If you left with any questions, you can comment me, you can mail me. So I'll so thank you so much for your love and support. I'll show some images in the end of the page. So tomorrow, thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet tomorrow. Thanks a lot.